Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, October the 20th, 2020. We have here, yes, only one regular Sudoku. And in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 7 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all. I will do 4 of them. Alright, but this one I will do first because it's high priority to do the regular Sudokus. And this one will be number 1773. And I have already counted the printed digits. This Sudoku has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the Sudokus in the additional with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, 27 is equal to the 1 star Sudoku in the additional. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. I see here a big square with 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have a 6 and a 1 in this third row, so no 6 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. Well, we see here 7, so no 7 there. So the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for a 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Lucky 7, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, lucky 7. 7, digit number 1. Then, how about the number? Let me see. How about Alright. The 3 in this row, the 3 in the middle, a row. So in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then in the last row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or could be there. Well, I see here another 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the middle column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. No, I cannot continue with the 3, I need more numbers. So how about the number 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the third column, the only place for the 9 should be in there. Then. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Yeah. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. One box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So the row between the only two places for the 9. Here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright, number 9. Then how about these two numbers in this big square? The missing numbers here are the 4 and the 8. 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And then. These two numbers in this column. The missing numbers here in this column are the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4 are missing in this column. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. These two numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. How about How about 1, 2, 3, 4? One, two. 1, 2, 8. No, I cannot feel this yet. I need a pair. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only two places for the 6 will be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then Then these two numbers, the missing numbers here in this row are the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square, the 4 and the 8. We see an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this first column. Those numbers are the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you so you can follow it easier. Then one number left in this middle row for the number 5. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in this big square are the 1, the 2, and the 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. I see here 2 and a 4, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 1. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them again for you. It's a pair. Then the 4 in this row, the 4 in the last row, so in a row between. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 3 is missing. Yes, 3 is missing. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. 1 box left in this column for the number. I believe it's the number 2. 2, 2, 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 6. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8 is missing. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Very strange. 5 and the 6. This is also 5 and the 6 in the last row. 5 and the 6. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8 in the middle column. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. These 2 numbers in this big square, the 1 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8 and no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 numbers in the first row for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and the final number of this big square, the number 5. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it by yourself or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new ones to my channel. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. So Thank you and bye bye for now.